Many people associate PTP with just tax training, and of course that is what I do, that is what Tim and Mark do, but we also have Guy Loveday, who is one of the leading accounting lecturers in the UK. And I think one of the things that is so impressive about Guy is that as well as talking to various accountants up and down the country, you also spend a huge amount of time, Guy, talking to the FRC, the various professional bodies, and there's this kind of constant discussion about what the profession should be doing.
Yeah.
And you actually are involved in where we're trying to get to, not just reporting on what's already happened.
Oh, absolutely, yeah.
And in terms of the accounting courses that we run, in May this year, you will be going to 14 different places across the United Kingdom. And, well, what will you be telling people?
Well, it's an annual update. The focus is always very much on smaller companies, companies following FRS 102, Section 1A and FRS 105. And it will be on the very latest developments, the latest guidance from the professional bodies, but also the latest faux pas, the latest blunders. And my goodness, I've seen some blunders, especially in small company accounts. Profit privacy is being breached. Companies, information about companies' profits is out there in the public domain when it shouldn't be. So we're going to be seeing how this happens, and we're going to be making sure that we don't make those mistakes. And you don't make those mistakes.
And one of the things that I know you've been doing as well as the presentations is that people can actually send you sets of accounts for you to review. It's not a full review, it's a desktop review. We look through the pages themselves. And mainly FRS 102 1A, but also 105,
Yes,
102
yes.
can be done. And I remember you telling me quite recently that you actually demonstrated to one particular person that they had told everybody in the world the profit that person had taken out of the company.
Yes,
And they said, oh, I haven't, but you're able to demonstrate the over disclosures that were happening
well,
there.
I was able to tell him what the figure was, and he was astonished.
And so the point is that as far as people are watching this, if they want to learn what people have been getting wrong and what the future holds on FRS 102, 102 1A, 105, then of course the annual accounting update in the first part of 2018 is the course for them.
Yeah, come and see me.
But also you have a second course later in the year on what we've learned after the first couple of years of 102 and 105. And I would say to people, as far as that course is concerned, obviously Guy will be talking about these various mistakes that he's picked up and seen a number of times. But also you can talk to him directly and make sure that produce a couple of sets of accounts for him to have a look at, and then you'd be happy to go through them and feed back on not just these two sets of accounts, but I bet you do this for all your accounts.
Exactly.
And helping people get all of their accounts right in the future.
Well, virtually everyone tends to use software these days, but there's many different software packages, and there's many different ways of using those software packages. So I probably only need to look at one or two sets of accounts that a particular accountant has prepared, and I will be able to tell them things, hopefully, that will improve all of the accounts that they prepare in future, yeah.
Okay, so for full information about the annual accounting courses running in May 2018 across the UK, then have a look at our website, www.ptptraining.com. You can also find information there about the desktop reviews, and prices start with desktop reviews at £199 for an FRS 1A set of accounts to be reviewed. And we always say at PTP, we're trying to help you help your clients. And when Guy's concerned, he can help you by explaining what's already gone wrong, what people are getting wrong now, and what the future holds. Make sure you look at those courses. Make sure you talk to him about your accounts. And we both look forward to seeing you on a course in the very near future.